First, set up the payroll settings. Go to the Payroll or Employees tab on the left-hand menu. Click on Get Started or Set Up Payroll to begin the setup process. Follow the prompts to enter your company's payroll information. This includes details such as your company's legal name, business address, employer identification number or EN, tax filing frequency, and other relevant information. Once you've configured the payroll settings, the next step is to input the employee details into QuickBooks. For instance, imagine you have two employees, John Smith, an hourly employee who works 40 hours per week, and Jane Doe, a salaried employee who earns $3,000 per month. The next step is to determine the pay frequency for each employee. For instance, John Smith is on a weekly pay schedule, while Jane Doe is on a monthly pay schedule. Configure these pay schedules accordingly in QuickBooks. For hourly employees like John Smith, you'll also need to enter the number of hours worked each week. So, if John worked 40 hours in week 1, you'd input that information into QuickBooks. Now it's time to process the payroll. Navigate back to the Payroll or Employees tab and select Run Payroll. Here, you'll review employee hours and earnings. For instance, if John worked 40 hours per week at $15 an hour, his earnings for each week would be $600. For salaried employees like Jane Doe, her monthly salary of $3,000 will be paid out. Once you've reviewed the payroll details for accuracy, confirm and submit the payroll for processing. QuickBooks will then calculate the net pay for each employee. But the process doesn't end there. QuickBooks also automatically calculates payroll taxes based on the settings and employee information. Ensure that funds are available to cover these payroll tax liabilities. Follow the instructions in QuickBooks to remit these payroll taxes to the relevant tax agencies. Finally, generate payroll reports to reconcile transactions and track expenses. Some example reports include payroll summary, payroll details, and tax liability report. So there you have it. That's how to run payroll in QuickBooks Online, plus for two employees with different pay structures. This process ensures accurate payment and compliance with tax regulations. It's simple, efficient, and gets the job done right every time.